So now let's see how we can work around with Site Tagline Block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with Site Tagline Block, you need to go in between two blocks right here and click on the plus button. So once you go ahead and do that, in the search bar right here, type in site tag right here just like this, and then you got the site tagline as you can see right here. So you can see that I had set my particular tagline as keep on learning, so it simply popped up right here just like this. You can go ahead and change it out into wide or none right here just like this, and change around the alignment right here just like this as well. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the size right here, as this is the text block itself. You can go ahead and change around the dimension by adding in a padding right here just like this, and then go ahead and add in a border to this as well just like this, and change around the type of the border color as well over here. So if I were to go around over here onto color, I can go around the text color and change it out and change around the background for this as well. And this is simply how you can go ahead and add in a site tagline block inside of wordpress.com to bring in the tagline that you have for your website. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.